if you can tell, but I'm not the person introducing you to Peter Phillips right now. The entire PNPYO is introducing you to Peter Phillips right now. When I tell you the devil is a liar, I say that because them have a bag of lies are telling on the street. And one of the lies is that when young people enter politics, we only want to see young people in politics and not Augusta. I don't know any wise young man or woman who walk into a hospital and say, send me the youngest, freshest, newest doctor to come perform surgery upon me. We want experience. I don't know any young, wise person who will tell you when they walk into a bank that for their funds to be managed, they want the youngest, freshest, newest person who will just come in. We want experience. I don't know any wise young person who, when we go to school at daytime, we're asking you to give us as our form teacher, or lecturer, or principal, the youngest, freshest, newest person that you have in the school. We want experience and we want competence. So we are here to affirm that the fact that you see young people up and alive and vibrant inside the PNP is not because we're trying to shoo out anybody. It's because we're here to support people who we believe are competent, and we have a comrade leader who has delivered result after result after result. So it's not just the president of the PNPYO who stands with you, comrade leader. The entire youth arm of the People's National Party is with you. Now, our comrade leader started at age 19 on the university campus, and from then till now, he has been serving people and trying to put power into the hands of people. He started as a Rasta man, and so that is my favorite part of the story. And there's a reason why you have so many powerful, conscious, black, nothing-head people in the PNP. Because we know the party that supports and gives power to the black masses in this country. It has always been and will continue to be the People's National Party. So as a young Pan-African leader, Dr. Phillips was marching with youth to protest the unfair ban on Pan-African leader Walter Rodney from re-entering Jamaica. I don't have to tell you which government do that. Comrade Phillips has an outstanding record, not just as a member of parliament, comrades, but as a minister in government. So when I tell you, sir, when you want a doctor, you're going to ask for the most experienced and competent doctor. He got his hands on our healthcare system and decided that it needed better management. And so we talk these days about rural health authorities and regional health authorities. That was designed by Comrade Peter Phillips. I am a daughter of Region 5, and the Mandeville Hospital is a product coming out of the design of Comrade Peter Phillips. Now I take that one very seriously because I only have one parent, my good mommy. And when it was time for her to do surgery, living in Mandeville, she never had to travel into another parish in order to get that. She could have drive down the road and get served by the public hospital in Mandeville. So it matters to me, and it matters to my family and the people of Manchester that we could have that hospital courtesy of his work. As Minister of Transport and Works, he established the JUTC to bring order to our public transportation system. Him fix it. We had a system that wasn't working, and Peter Phillips fixed it. As Minister of National Security, he took Jamaica out of the clutches of the drug cartel and dismantled illegal operations that used Jamaica as a transshipment port. We don't even talk about that no more because it is not an issue anymore. We gave him the job. He saw the problem and he fixed it. But our most recent experience with Dr. Phillips was as the Minister of Finance. When the government before him couldn't pass a test, when the IMF was sure that there would be no coming back for our economy, the Jamaican people gave him the economy and he fixed it. Now, you don't have to take my word for it. Open up your phone and go Google it. Because this is not fiction. This is fact. And when I tell you that we stand in support of Mr. Fix-It, we have all the facts to prove it. Comrades, I ask you to stand with me because it is my privilege to present a man of the people, a man for the people, a worthy heir to the finest traditions of the party, and a son in whom Jamaica is very well pleased. Comrade Peter Fix-It Phillips!